guys, my name is Parul and welcome back to my channel. First of all, thank you so much guys for giving such a positive response on my first video, and I promise I will bring such links of the free certifications and the courses to you in the future as well. So today I've come up with a new video, and today's topic is also about the free certifications. So guys, Coursera has also launched free certifications till 31st July. So it's also a good opportunity to enhance your skill set during the lockdown period. So there are some courses on which Coursera has offered 100% discount. So Coursera, talking about Coursera, Coursera is a platform, online learning platform. It has numerous universities across the globe, not India, across the globe, and that too good, like the prominent universities like London Business School and all the like the bestest universities, I would say, Yale University, like good universities across the world. So you guys can take up the course, learn from the best professors across the world, like the directors of these universities, and at the good, like the very prominent lecturers, and you can take the certification as well, and this all free of cost. Also guys, Coursera, trust me, Coursera is one of the trusted, most trusted website in the in MNCs right now. And why I'm able to say that? Because I work in an MNC and even my company has tied up with Coursera for the certifications. It actually trusts these Coursera certifications. Reason being, one, you are given a deadline, you like a deadline for a week. Like if it's a course of 20 hours divided into 4 weeks, so you will be given a deadline in which you'll have to submit the quiz. You have to do the assignments. So it's like learning at your pace. Like you can play the video whenever you want, according to your timings, but it's a regular, regular study on which you have to submit your assignments and these things, projects. So it is actually trustable amongst the employers. So let's not waste more time, I'll just start off with the video. So there are some courses which were actually like they're in the newspaper. So I'll share the link in the description box. So in the Business Insider newspaper, they had this article in which they have showed these 100 online courses. So I've taken up that link. This is in description box. You just have to click on the link and you can see the courses provided by the Coursera, that too free of cost. So the courses, if you'll see, are not limited to one field. So if you can see, this is from the health. So in health also there are so many courses. If you guys are interested in knowing about the animals like dog emotion and cognition, or the truth about cats and dogs, then you can enroll for this section of courses. Arts and humanities, science, technology, business, finance. If you're a finance professional, obviously you can choose among these. So as I was saying, data science, C, then the technology. If you are interested in learning the C language, then C++ for programmers is also there. So you guys can choose according to your best interest and your liking. You, and even if you want to learn language like Chinese, Korean language, or tricky English like English pronunciation, then you guys can go for these. And if you think that okay, you don't like any of these courses, then you can go for personal development courses as well. Also, for teachers or math scholars, there is a section called Maths and Logic, in which if you want to learn differentiation, integration, data science, or calculus, you guys can enroll for these courses. So also personal development, as I was saying, so include successful career development, set list, get active too for your personal improvement. Then you can go for these courses. So the benefit of these courses is like Coursera, it offers free courses, but the certification, for the certification you have to pay a price. But here you are getting it free of cost. So guys, I think according to me, you should not leave this like opportunity to take the free certificate. And also these are available again till 31st July. During the lockdown period, you can increase your skill set. So let's start. For example, if I want to take this certificate, so I'll show you how to like go to this path and how to log in and start with the course. So for example, I've like clicked on this course. So here, as I have clicked on this course, Coursera site has got opened. So if you're a new new person in Coursera, you have to join for free. I am actually using it, so I'm logging in. Okay, so I'll log in. So as you can see on the above, the banner is written Coursera together, enroll today. That's discount banner. You have to see that this banner should be there, right? for the certification because you need certificate as well, right? Okay, so enroll for free. I've clicked on enroll for free. So you can see purchase course and the value is 0 now, right? So continue. So as I'll continue, let's wait for it to load. So guys, you can see complete my purchase. With certificate, the course value is 3744 for which I'm given the whole discount and I can proceed with the course. So go to the course and now I am like enrolled in the course. So an email confirmation will be sent to me. So you can see this is the course on which in which I have enrolled. Like I've enrolled many courses to show you guys. Let me show you guys like these are the basic, like you can go for any course according to your interest, okay? And what I wanted to show you is that see so many universities are available here like this. If I like talk about this problem solving course, it is from University of Minnesota. So there are many universities like London Business School or any university you are interested in. You guys can take up the course and you can learn from it. And trust me, this site I'm doing financial markets course from here, and it is actually a very very good site, like very good certification. Also the certificates would look like this, which you can upload on your like LinkedIn profile as well, or you can take a printout with your resume. With your certificates also you can put, so like this University of Michigan, this is a sample certificate which I'm showing you. Coursera is written here and a university certificate you are getting. So guys, it's, I think according to me it's not a bad deal to you can utilize your time, and I think it's better than playing Ludo or Snakes and Ladders, is what my personal suggestion is. Rest, I think this video will be helpful for you. If it is, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos like this because I'm going to come up with more certification courses as well. Thank you. Bye bye, take care.